Dear friends, I am going to say about Wayanad landslides of Kerala. It has happened in Wayanad district, Vaitri Taluk, on 2024, July 13th morning at Punjirimattam, Mundakai, Churalmala, Attamala, Estra. This is happened due to continuous high rainfall in this area. Landslides happened time is between 2:17 am to 4:30 am. This hilly area is a part of Western Ghat. From this part, two rivers are starts. They are known as Iravanyipuzha and Chaliyar. These two rivers are flows from east to west towards Arabian Sea. Before the landslide, within 48 hours, 570 millimeter continuous rainfall happened in this area. Due to high rainfall in this area, Punjirimattam, Attamala, Mundakai, these places people's residence changed to other safe place. At first, landslide happened near river Iravanyipuzha's starting places, villages, Punjirimattam and Mundakai. This landslide happened on 2:17 am. After this incident, 4:10 am, next landslide happened. Due to this landslide, Iravanyipuzha changed its way. Due to sudden flood, Churalmala village itself began to flow through the water. People's living places connecting bridge also collapsed. Due to the loss of bridge, Attamala's about 400 families disconnected from other living areas. When landslide is happened, so many tons of rocks and soil mixed with the flowing water, thus the flowing water become dangerous one. This kind of flowing destroyed many matters on the way of its flowing. Falling materials fall into about 6,000 meter depth. These landslides misfortunes influenced 6 villages such as Punjirimattam, Mepadi, Mundakai, Attamala, Churalmala, Kunyom. Due to these havocs, about 420 had died, about 397 persons injured, about 129 persons missing. Loss of wealth is rupees 1,200 crore. Connecting bridge of Kalladipuzha between Mundakai and Churalmala flown in the havoc. Through the high force of a flow of water, whole Chural Hill Junction flown away. Due to hilly water flows force, Vellar Hills Government Vocational Higher Secondary Schools most part gone to under soil. For to help the victims of this havoc, so many group of persons reached these places. A section of army, fire force did valuable services in this area. Through these services, a bridge built there urgently. Due to the combined services, so many persons escaped. So many animals also escaped. To treat the wounded persons and sick persons, a temporary hospital also started in the madrasa and polytechnic. Air Force's helicopter reached there. With the help of this helicopter, emergency higher treatment needed persons reached into high standard hospitals. So many persons, so many organizations donated money for needy persons and victims. Animal friendly organizations helped animals, those who are become victims in these landslides. Chief Minister of Kerala reached these areas. Kerala government declared financial help and other needy helps. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi also reached this havoc area. He visited in the hospital and talked with the victims in the hospital. He demanded Kerala authorities how much amount of rupees loss is happened and inform him. Then according to the demand of money, he will help. From the Tamil Nadu also reached in this place so many help. We wanted to give importance for scientist suggestions for to stop natural calamities of nature after scientific study. If any calamities happened in future, we wanted to prepare well, serve victims very well, thus save valuable lives of so many persons, animals, birds, trees, and herbs. We should be careful to protect nature and natural lives. Thank you to all. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.